Every time I start this camera, I just don't know. I don't see anything. I have to stop it. I'm on the profile about. Currently, you're on the latest firmware. I gotta look like a cartoon until DJI releases natural profile, which is called vivid, because sharpness has now been called texture. DJI, we here like to have our cameras named correctly in the profiles we choose when that grayware to the influences get released to grayware to all. Oh, we loved it when you're giving it to a select few to test and get back to you, but they released the video to the public showing people what you offered to all. And I don't think that's the way we do things when we test firmware out, to have people leak the information. They're giving the information to all like they're supposed to. Nat, I thank you. My lighting is 3000 Kelvin. That's why I got the golden hue look. These lights today, they should be more on the blue light. You should have an option for the light when you get your car. I could change out the bulbs. Not going to. Hey, I'm Fish. Can you see me now? Am I bright enough for you? Hey, I'm Fish. You can see me now. I'm bright enough for you. Deja vu, baby. Deja vu. So we're riding along, and we see some blue and red lights. Yeah, what could that be? I'll come back later. I don't think they're ready. We'll get some bagels. Of course, that's Wacky Wednesday. I have to head to another place first. Get it done. My eyes see that real close. Not now. I don't see the problem when I see with my eyes how things look real close up, but with the camera, they're different. They don't look close up. You get to see what's, little, miniaturized. And that's the difference between a camera and your eyes. I'm heading into the store. I need to get a couple of things. One thing that is. Oh yeah. Gotta get a piece of wood. A 1x3x6. Whatever's left over. 2 feet I could use if it's a 1x3x8. So yeah, I don't need one of those yet. I got one. I haven't pulled it out. But I need to get a scarf. It's cold. I got my wood. I'm gonna choose 3 different pieces. I know what I needed to get, insulation, but I forgot a knife, so I could cut it down to size and get it on out next time. Woo, baby, that piece of wood fits in just fine. Don't you just love it when things come together as a plan? Oh man, bagel should be ready by now. At least I didn't have to walk on over. Too icy to take the scooter or bicycle. That'd be another time. I'm gonna make this light, so hang on. Let me grab you and get going. I had to get on out of the parking lot real slow, made the light, and off I go. Check out that tree, man. It's got the colors like you want to have. Look at the next tree. DJI flickers like that. What I've noticed in my camera on the cold days, that metal, little piece of metal that causes the sound. Oh man, it just freezes up so fast. It makes it different little noises. Not like the original. Man, maybe we'll get a better speaker in these cameras. Did you know that microphones act as speakers as well? You didn't know that. And did you know that speakers can be a microphone? So yeah, we have a fourth microphone by a speaker. I don't think DJI knows how to do that. I know I need to add air. And here's what I'm going to be airing. Got my bagels. Got what I wanted. And they were there. Ready. Nice and hot. How they're supposed to be. Off I go on this nice cold day. I keep saying it's cold. I gotta remind you it's cold. Well, that's it for me today. I shot with the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro with its latest firmware that's not grayware, that's released to the YouTubers that they only got, that people are getting. Maybe they'll come out later and I'll be on 103, 06, whatever the numbers are. The thing is, this is just the internal audio sound, 4K 30 frames per second. I went back to because Filmora keeps asking me, is the project right? Is the project right? And off I go. I think I got 60 days left. How sweet is that? I think I'm gonna start to put some plants, seeds, peppers started in the house. On fish. I gotta make an intro, an outro again. Later.